In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. I'm doing this on an iPhone, but the steps are the same for Android and in a web browser. Once in the Pinterest app, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Pins at the top to view all of your saved pins. There are two ways to delete a saved pin. The first method is to press and hold the pin you want to delete until a menu appears. While still holding your finger on the screen, hover over the pencil icon and release. This will open the Pin Edit menu. Scroll to the bottom, tap Delete this pin, and confirm by pressing Delete. The second method is to tap on the pin you want to delete. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, select Edit Pin, scroll down to delete this pin, and confirm by tapping Delete. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't give it a like and don't subscribe.